Welcome to Just Best 5, where we make complex technology easy to understand. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting breakthroughs in AI, Agentic Artificial Intelligence, systems that can think, decide, and act on their own. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from chatbots to navigation apps. But a new generation called Agentic AI is taking things further. These systems don't just respond to commands. They decide what needs to be done and then do it. In this video, we'll explore what Agentic AI is, how it works, and how it could transform our world over the next few years. Most AI tools today, like ChatGPT or voice assistants, wait for humans to give instructions. Agentic AI, however, takes initiative. It can analyze a situation, set its own goals, take action, and evaluate the results without constant human input. Think of it as the difference between a calculator and an assistant who not only solves your math problem, but also decides what data to analyze next. Companies like Google DeepMind and OpenAI are actively developing these autonomous systems. They could soon handle scheduling, research, customer support, and more automatically. Agentic AI operates through three core stages: perception, decision, and action. Perception means collecting information from sensors, user input, or databases. Decision-making uses algorithms to determine the best course of action. Action means carrying out the task automatically, such as sending an email, summarizing research, or adjusting a robot's path. This continuous loop allows the AI to learn and adapt in real time, making it more efficient and capable with each cycle. It's like having an employee that never sleeps, always learns, and constantly improves. Agentic AI isn't just theory, it's already being tested in real life. Healthcare, AI agents that monitor patients and automatically adjust treatment plans. Finance, systems that track markets and make investment decisions faster than humans. Manufacturing, robots that coordinate with each other without human supervision. Smart homes, devices that manage energy, security, and maintenance automatically. For older generations, this means more convenience, safety, and independence, from health monitoring to energy savings. With great power comes serious responsibility. Agentic AI raises concerns about data privacy, autonomy, and ethical decision-making. If an AI can act independently, who's accountable if something goes wrong? Researchers emphasize the need for strong human oversight, transparent algorithms, and ethical frameworks to ensure these systems stay beneficial. Just like any powerful tool, the key is using it wisely. Experts predict that within the next 5 years, Agentic AI will become part of everyday life. We'll see AI systems that manage personal schedules, optimize businesses, and even collaborate with humans creatively. As we move forward, these systems won't replace us. They'll amplify our potential, handling repetitive tasks while humans focus on creativity and decision-making. The goal isn't to remove people from the process. It's to make technology serve us better. Agentic AI marks the next big leap in technology, machines that don't just think, but act. It's both exciting and challenging, and it will shape the next decade of innovation. Understanding it now gives us a head start on adapting to the world that's coming. This is Just Best 5, where we make technology simple. And now, you understand Agentic AI.